Today the audio system manufacturer Ixoost has partnered with Lamborghini to bring to life an incredible beast of sound, the system named EsaVox, which highlights a design inspired by the recent Lamborghini Aventador LP750-4 Superveloce, with elements which make it an entire collection. Created individually under a unibody carbon fiber chassis, the EsaVox loudspeaker integrates an original Lamborghini exhaust system with low-pressure pressure control, which will serve to emit the audio signals in a spectacular way. To support this power, there is a passive damping system to reduce the vibrations of the speakers, in addition to ceramic supports with variable height. The central cabinet is made of wood, and in it we find the most emblematic details of the Italian manufacturer. Inside we have a 6.5-inch center speaker that gives us 600 watts of power, which is accompanied by 4 8-inch carbon woofers housed in the side hexagonal cabinets. As if that were not enough, we also have two 1-inch mylar tweeters hidden inside the two exhaust pipes, and finally a 15-inch, 200-watt neodymium subwoofer. The system is operated by two 24-bit digital signal processors, and of course we have all kinds of options to connect from a smartphone through Bluetooth 4.0, to an entire sound system with auxiliary inputs, RCA and optical audio output. As you have already imagined, this baby is not cheap, since we will have to pay €19,900, because this is an edition that will be manufactured by hand only on request, where we have the option to customize the colors, and even add a message in laser printing or up to our company logo or some other personal design.